Hello everybody. So yesterday I went out into woods similar to here. I did a video for you guys and yeah, I just wasn't happy. It was dark, there's nothing really there to see. So today we're going to do a reset. We're going to come to a different woods now and let's go shoot some macro photography today. And what I've seen, which may be cool, is this little yellow fungus here. It's about the size of my fingertip. So one of the things I'm learning with macro is how close you have to be, but also the things that you don't normally see. You know, I don't normally look on the ground at a tree stump and see a tiny little bit of yellow thing and think I can get a picture from there. But this is what I've got. This could be interesting. So what I'm seeing is this acorn here on the side. Now obviously it's small and dead, but I think with that background there and the light coming through that way, I'm going to shoot this one by hand. And I'm thinking having the acorn there as the foreground subject, and rest the camera on the tree. So one of the things I'm struggling with is, I'm sure for many new macro photographers, and I am very new to this, is finding a subject. And then when you think you found a subject, it's also then the composition. And if it's an insect, hoping that the insect's going to stay still long enough for you to be able to get a shot of it. And if it's a flower, it's that it doesn't blow in the wind. So there's so many factors. I mean, I knew macro photography was hard, but I've definitely got a lot more respect now for macro photographers after just this short time just trying it out. Now I don't know if you can see it really much on the camera, but just there is a little purple flower, and there's probably about 20 of them around the area. They're quite small and easy to miss. So I've got the camera lined up by hand. Is this going to work really bad or really good? So I think that'll do for today. Probably a short video. And what do you think? Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time.